Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 4th March 2025. Political news. India's Trade Minister heads to US amid looming tariffs. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has embarked on an urgent trip to the United States to engage in trade negotiations, as President Donald Trump plans to implement reciprocal tariffs on Indian goods starting in April. These tariffs could cost India approximately $7 billion annually, impacting sectors like automobiles and agriculture. Goyal aims to clarify the implications and discuss potential concessions to bolster bilateral trade. SEBI to challenge Mumbai court's investigation order. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, and the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, have announced plans to legally challenge a Mumbai court's directive to investigate their senior officials. The order stems from a journalist's petition alleging that SEBI allowed a fraudulent company to be listed, causing investor harm. SEBI and BSE criticized the court for not providing them an opportunity to present their case, labeling the petition as frivolous. Khelo India Winter Games 2025 rescheduled in Gulmarg. The second leg of the Khelo India Winter Games 2025, initially postponed due to insufficient snowfall, is now set to take place from March 9 to 12 in Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. The region recently received significant snowfall, creating ideal conditions for the event. Over 300 athletes from across the country will compete in sports such as alpine skiing, Nordic skiing, ski mountaineering, and snowboarding. Sports news. BCCI supports Captain Rohit Sharma amid criticism. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has defended Captain Rohit Sharma after Congress party spokesperson Shama Mohammad referred to him as fat and the most unimpressive captain on social media. Mohammad later deleted the comments, clarifying that her intention was to discuss sports fitness, not body shaming. The BCCI criticized the remarks for being demoralizing during an important tournament, emphasizing Sharma's leadership and recent achievements. Rohit Sharma downplays home advantage in Champions Trophy. Ahead of the ICC Champions Trophy semi-final against Australia, Indian captain Rohit Sharma dismissed claims that playing all matches in Dubai gives India an unfair advantage. Due to political tensions, India declined to play in Pakistan, leading to all their games being scheduled in Dubai. Sharma noted that the varying pitch conditions at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium negate any perceived home advantage. Champions Trophy semi-finals set. The ICC Champions Trophy semi-finals are poised for thrilling encounters. India will face Australia on 4th March in Dubai, marking their first ODI meeting since the 2023 Cricket World Cup final, which Australia won. The second semi-final features New Zealand against South Africa in Lahore on 5th March. Despite logistical advantages favoring India, Australia's strong track record in ICC events suggests a potentially competitive match. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.